Ever wondered why brand-specific car scan tools might be better than generic ones? We're about to dive into that right now. Car scan tools, the unsung heroes of vehicle maintenance, are indispensable when it comes to diagnosing and resolving issues in today's technologically advanced vehicles. These handy devices read and interpret the secret language of your car's onboard computer, unveiling the mysteries behind those pesky check engine lights. There are two main types of car scan tools in play: brand-specific tools and generic ones. Now, brand-specific tools like Toyota's Techstream, Ford's VCM2, Jaguar's JLR Mongoose, and Honda's HIM HDS are tailored to interact seamlessly with their respective brands' vehicles. On the other hand, we have the jack-of-all-trades, the generic OBD2 scanner, which is designed to communicate with any vehicle that supports the OBD2 protocol. So, let's explore the pros and cons of these two types of car scan tools. First up, brand-specific car scan tools. Why might they be the go-to choice for some? These tools, like Toyota Techstream or Ford VCM2, offer a level of precision and detail that is unmatched. They're designed to understand the unique language of a specific car brand, offering tailored diagnostics that can pinpoint issues more accurately. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are a few drawbacks. The first is cost. These brand-specific tools often come with a higher price tag than their generic counterparts. And then there's the issue of flexibility. While your Ford VCM2 might be a whiz at deciphering Ford error codes, it's not going to be much help if you need to diagnose a problem with your Honda or Jaguar. So while brand-specific tools offer accuracy, their limited use and cost may deter some. But what about generic scan tools? Moving on to generic car scan tools. Could they be the all-rounders we need? Let's dive in and find out. Generic scan tools are like the Swiss Army knives of the diagnostic world. Their biggest strength lies in their versatility. Whether you're tinkering with a Toyota or fine-tuning a Ford, these tools are designed to work across multiple brands. This is particularly useful for those of us who have more than one make of car in the garage. But wait, there's more. Generic tools generally come with a smaller price tag than their brand-specific counterparts, making them a more affordable option for the budget-conscious car enthusiast. However, it's not all smooth sailing. The drawback of generic tools is that they often lack the level of detail offered by brand-specific tools. While they can identify the broad area of an issue, they might not pinpoint the exact problem. So, generic scan tools offer flexibility and affordability but compromise on detailed diagnostics. It's a tough call, isn't it? To sum it up, both types of scan tools have their place in the auto world. On one hand, brand-specific scan tools like Toyota Techstream, Ford VCM2, JLR Mongoose for Jaguar, and Honda HIM HDS offer precision. They are designed to delve deep into the systems of their respective brands, providing detailed diagnostic data that can be crucial in identifying and resolving complex issues. However, this precision comes at a higher cost, and these tools lack the versatility to be used across different car brands. On the other hand, generic scan tools, or OBD2 scanners, offer more flexibility. They're a more affordable solution and can be used on a wide range of car brands. But they may not provide the same level of detail in diagnostics as their brand-specific counterparts. So, whether a brand-specific or a generic car scan tool is better for you depends on your specific needs and circumstances. Happy diagnosing!